More electric vehicles are hitting the road, and it could be a challenge for workers to keep up. Now the state of Michigan and 2 schools have partnered to keep their students prepared for what's next. Here's 13 on your side's Josh Albertus.
It took us 3 years, and I know I spent a lot of all-nighters.
Western Michigan University senior Eliza Eaton is part of the team responsible for this, the Sunseeker 23.
I would say more than a full-time job.
An aerospace engineering major, Eaton says part of her passion for the craft came from seeing Western's solar car racing team for the first time as she toured campus.
It's out there to prove the validity of solar technology and greener technologies, battery technology, and it gives the students an opportunity to learn something they wouldn't learn in their classes.
But with constant new technological innovations in fields like automotives and engineering, for students like Eaton, it could be a challenge to keep up with rapidly changing industries.
That's the scary part, right? Because I have no idea what they're going to need to know next year.
While some may feel excited to face new challenges, a new $4.7 million plan involving WMU, Kellogg Community College, and the Michigan Economic Development Corporation is meant to help these local learning hubs keep up to speed and expand their technical learning programs in the areas of electric vehicles and semiconductors.
Typically, when you think of our research equipment, a lot of times it's one big piece of equipment. To be able to have that at scale to where I can teach 20 students at the same time in a laboratory is very, very tough. So what we'll be able to do is figure out exactly how I can take that one big piece and actually bring it down into elements that I could teach in a classroom.
The public-private partnership has roughly $700,000 going to Western and about $4 million to KCC.
They came to us and they said, in order for us to do this type of program, in order for us to meet the needs of the employers as they've indicated to us, here's the type of equipment we need, here's the type of support we need for the students to be able to thrive in these programs, here's the type of curriculum we have to develop.
While more may be needed down the road to keep up, this is a plan some say will help those like Eaton become the industry leaders of the future.
And Josh joins us now. When will all these changes take effect, Josh?
Yeah, Lauren, these dollars are coming in now, of course, but according to these groups, students can expect to start seeing these opportunities to keep up with their passions beginning in 2025, especially with how quickly these industries are changing. We'll have to see what the outcome of these expansions are and what else may be needed to keep up. Lauren.
Josh, thank you.